Today, I'm going to talk about something that I see often in my clinic, and that is digestive disorders, mainly gas, bloating, constipation, and many more. These symptoms have become very common these days, and people are struggling with it because these symptoms are started happening at very young age. According to Ayurveda, that is timeless wisdom about health and healing, these symptoms are not random. Majority of the times when we have symptoms, they are because of the imbalance in the natural energies in the body. And those energies are, the first one is wind energy. In Ayurveda, we call Vata dosh, fire energy, Pitta dosh, and water energy, the Kapha dosh. When it comes to bloating, distension, constipation, and all, the main energy which goes out of balance is Vata dosh or wind element. And the first thing when it goes out of balance, it shows the symptoms in our digestive system. The movement of the gut slows down, leading to constipation. Then gas start building up, and the bloating and distension become very uncomfortable. But aggravated Vata dosha does not show effect only in the gut, but it also affects our mind. Mind starts racing. It's very difficult to focus and concentrate. Many times patients complain that their mind becomes very unsteady and restless, and they feel very anxious. But they don't realize that their mental symptoms are also related to the same imbalance that causes their digestive issues. Then what throws this Vata dosha out of balance? There are many triggers: eating at irregular times, skipping meals, eating very dry and cold foods, not drinking enough water, high stress in life, and many more. And when this Vata dosha goes out of balance, it starts causing all these symptoms. And if your body constitution or your prakriti is predominantly Vata, then you start seeing these symptoms more strongly. But there is also the good news that aggravated Vata dosha responds very well to simple but consistent changes in the diet and lifestyle. Vata's qualities are cold and dry, and to balance that, we encourage people to eat more warm and moist foods. For example, oatmeal, cream of wheat, or grits, or any warm cereal for breakfast, soups, stews, or gravied chicken, fish, steamed veggies, or sauteed veggies with wholesome grain, and little butter or ghee for lunch and dinner. With these foods, when Vata dosha gets into balance, the symptoms start getting better. I also recommend them to drink 6 to 8 glasses of warm water. Again, warm water calms down Vata dosha. And few minutes of meditation and yoga help to steady the mind and calm down our nervous system. There is also the age-old formula called Triphala, which many people use as their wellness routine, and that is commonly available online. And that is tremendously beneficial for these issues. So Ayurveda tells us the simple truth that take care of the cause, and the effect, that is your symptoms, will fade away naturally. In this case of constipation and distension, when we balance Vata dosha with diet and lifestyle, the system starts settling down, the mind becomes more steady, and body is able to regain its original balance again. So I hope you learned something about the Ayurvedic perspective, how it takes care of our health issues with the diet and lifestyle, and for us to feel healthy again. Thank you.